combination and you want to learn it step by step, the first few patterns are up on YouTube, and the more exciting and complicated ones are actually on our website, ballroomfeed.com. I'm going to put it up here and in the description down below. We walk through everything step by step and teach it, breaking down each one of those steps for you in depth. So before you learn this combination, you're more than welcome to go check that out, and then the combination will be much easier for you to learn. That being said, please like the video, subscribe, comment down below what pattern you like the best, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.